Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today's recipe is Street Style Veg Chaumin. I know, all of us love that spicy street style chowmin, right? Let me tell you that it's actually very simple to make it at home. Takes just a few ingredients and even lesser time to make it. So let's begin. Let's cook the noodles first. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Here I'm using Ching's Hakka noodles. You can use whatever is available to you. Now we need to boil it as per the packet instructions. Add the noodles to the boiling water and some salt and oil. You can separate the noodles with the help of a fork. When the noodles are done, you can check by lightly pressing a single noodle strand. It should break off easily. Now strain the noodles and wash them in cold water to stop them from cooking further and also to rinse away the starch. Spread them out on a plate. Add some oil and toss until the noodles are nicely coated with oil. Set this aside. Now heat a wok or a kadai on a high flame and add some oil. Let it heat up. When the oil is hot, add the ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Add the onions and capsicum. Cook until the veggies are slightly tender but still crunchy. Next, add the carrots and spring onion whites and cook until the carrots are slightly tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the cabbage and saute. Add a pinch of MSG if you like and salt to taste and toss. Add the noodles now and gently give it a toss. And then add the sauces: vinegar, soya sauce and green chili sauce. You can add some pepper powder if you like it more spicy. Now gently toss everything. I'm going to switch to forks to help me toss evenly. And that's it. Our street style noodles are ready. Garnish it with some spring onions. I hope you do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.